This 2025 Winnebago Micro Mini 1720FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 20 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, LP detector, stovetop burner, slide-out, smoke detector, leveling jacks, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Mini 1720FB is 3,840 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.